thing that we will do that after drawing the grid, the first task was to draw the grid. For that we had to divide a line into equal number of divisions. Then what we will do, we will use the grid to draw the letters. Okay, so it is given to you the exact drawing, exact letters, the list of letters. Now we will simply do it here. Clear? So we will now draw letter A. So you will mark lightly A out of 4 units. So it will be of 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. So last point, right? Is it clear? So starting point, end point. Clear? And here also start point and end point. So A will be written within this. Okay, clear? 7:4. Okay. Although it is not looking like 4 units because of IS division, but it should be square. Okay, clear? Next is where from it will pass. So A will be symmetrical. So you see that 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. But here it will be the midpoint of the second line segment, midpoint of the second line segment. Can you see? So yes, this is line segment 1, this is line segment 2, this is line segment 3, and this is line segment 4. So you will take midpoint of the second line segment and midpoint of the third line segment. 1, 2, 3. Clear? You will join this with this. Is it clear? You will join this with this. So you will join this with this. Clear? So it is the midpoint of the second line segment between point 2 and 3. Clear or not? Is it clear? Again, you have a midpoint of 3 and 4 degree. So this is to be joined with this. Clear? We will join this. Next is we will take one unit, we will join here. We will take another unit, we will join. Clear? Next is I will join this with this lightning, faint light. Because I do not know how much to be erased. I do not. Simply I will join this with this. Or you can draw a parallel line parallel to this. They are basically same. Because this is one unit, this is one unit, they are parallel. So both are same. Clear? And join this with this. Clear? Next is one unit. So here you will mark the end point, here we will mark the end point, and here you will mark the end point, here we will mark the end point. And here you will mark the point of intersection. So point of intersection between the front line and the second line, point of intersection between this line and the second line, and the intersection of this line, that is front line, and this line, and this line, and this front line, and this second, the third line. So this will be a point, this will be a point. You will join this, you will join this, only part of that. Then you will join this. The remaining are faint, so you can either erase or you can retain. Okay. So what you did is you have drawn a line which is faint through this point, or that means through this and this point, join them directly. Now it will be faint because part of that needs to be erased. Okay, so do not draw thick lines, just draw faint lines. Faint line, very faint. Right? Then another line which is through these 2 points. Clear? Next, this line and this line, the faint line, they will intersect at these 2 points. this line and this line, right? So get these 2 points, join them and join them. Similarly, here you will get a point of intersection, join this and this, then join this. You will get A, letter A. Is it clear? Is it clear? So letter A is done, right? Just check. Clear? Can you do it? A, then B. What to start B? B 1 unit. After leaving 1 unit, you will start here. So it will be that. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Next B, you will draw the 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 units, and then here 1. So this will be a point where you will take a center of the curve, and here also 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, this point. Okay, so you see that the first stand of the letter B will be here. Next, you will get this point. Where is that point? 1 unit, 2 units. Then 1 unit, 2 units. So there I will take a point. Taking that point as the center, I will draw the curves. So what is that? 1 unit, 2 units. Again 1 unit, 2 units. Clear? Here also 1 unit, 2 units, and then 1 unit, 2 units. So that point, taking that as the center, we will draw 2 sets of semicircles. Where are they? First, I will draw faint lines. From this as the center, follow carefully. Take this as the center, and 1 unit as the radius. You draw a semicircle. So where is that? Center is here, and 1 unit as the radius. So I will draw a semicircle. But that will be faint line. Remember, that will be a faint line. Here. Next is same point as the center, but 2 unit. Take 2 unit as the radius. I will draw another faint line. Clear? Again, this as the center, and 1 unit as the radius. I will draw a faint line. Semicircle. And this point as the center, and 2 unit as the radius, I will draw a semicircle. All are faint lines. Clear? Now, out of these 2 can be thick lines immediately. These 2, but these 2 must be faint line because they will intersect somewhere here. I did not know a priori, so I have to erase part of that. That is why I have to draw these larger semicircles with faint lines. Okay. After that, what you can do is you erase this. Erase this part and again draw thick lines up to this, and thick line up to this. Clear? Is it clear? Next, what I do? I will extend this here. I will draw a line here. That will make the B. Clear? So these points should be only faint because after construction this should not be visible louder, right? Clear? So that is B. Clear? So it is A, it is B. Next is C. C is similar to B. Most of the things are similar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So see, you see that again this center will be same relative position. So where is that? 1 unit, 2 unit, line segment, 1 unit, 2 unit. So this will be the center. Clear? And from this 1 unit, that means after leaving 1 unit after B, so it will start, C will start here and it will end here. So from this point, 1 unit, 2 unit length, and then 1 unit, 2 unit length here. Clear? Similarly, from here, 1 unit, 2 units line segment, then again 1 unit, 2 unit line segment here. Clear? So that will be the center. Okay. Next is taking this as the center. What you will do is, so for C, if I draw semicircle in this direction, semicircle, 1 unit length, semicircle. From this also I will draw a semicircle. Clear? And from this point, semicircle of 2 units. So here. From this point, semicircle of 2 unit radius. So this much. Clear? Next, join this, join this, join this. Yeah, because of this disparity, it is looking like that, but this so it's bulging, but it should be like, that means proportionate. If their lengths are proportionate, then it will look nice. Okay? So forgive me for that, but it will look nice. Clear? Again, D in the same way, right? E everything is given, and